Hey, welcome to Skipforce Tutorials. Today, we are going to show you how to upload a file with the new standard batch portal. Once you access your dashboard, please click the Upload File option at the right side. Now please, click the Upload File option at the right upper side of the screen. The next step is to click the Choose File option and look for the file you want to skip trace. Once you have chosen your file, please click the Upload option you see below. Now, your file is ready to be mapped, and remember, the information you see here belongs to a sample file, is not the actual file you are trying to upload. For the mapping process, if the field doesn't match anything on your list, click on Set Column Data and select Ignore this column. Once you complete the mapping process, please click Continue and choose Yes. Now, on the Uploaded List screen, you will be able to review the actual file you uploaded, but the number of records to review, it's limited to 250, so if you want to upload a file with 1,000 records, you will only be able to see 250. After you review your file, please click on Continue and choose Yes. Now it's time to confirm the skip trace. Here you can choose between different vendors like carrier, credit, and communications. Also, if you want to suppress your file against our database, this option will have your current list cross-checked to all of your previously uploaded lists, so any duplicates detected against your previous lists will not be included on your current file. If you want to get up-to-date data for your current file, select No for this option and note that this may result to increased charge. Now, after your file has been uploaded and processed, you will be able to download it on the Files screen. To download your file, please scroll down and locate the red bar at the bottom of the screen. Now please, click and drag the red bar to the right until you can see all the options available. Here, you will see the Output Ready option. Just click the red button and your download will start in a couple of seconds. If the payment of a file didn't go through, you will see the status Not Paid. To see why the payment did not go through, you can click on the View link under Card Charge Response. We have added the new Repay option that will allow you to process the payment of the file and have it ready for download using a different card for your convenience. We hope this guide helps you with your journey with Skipforce. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us via email, chat, or phone. Ready to get started? Skipforce. Advanced skip tracing at the best price.